What's up everyone, and welcome back to today's video. I hope you are all having a wonderful day. So you guys, in today's video, as you have read by the title, I am going to be unboxing Glossybox Januar box, and I'm so excited to find out what kind of goodies we receive for this month. So here is how the box looks like. Of course, it looks like this. So yeah, and if you are not sure what Glossybox is, it is a beauty monthly subscription. You pay €15 every month to receive the box, or you can sign up for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months to save a little bit more. Now let's go ahead and start unboxing this and find out what kind of goodies we have. So first thing we see here is of course a magazine. You can see how that looks like that. And yeah, let's just take it out there. And here it says a sleep and refresh edition. So that's, the theme for this month. It looks like that. We usually get, a magazine in every box. So this one is yeah, sleep and refresh. I cannot wait to see what kind of goodies we have in here. So that's the first thing that we see from there. And also in here they have included a coupon for Muesli. You can shop online and save some dollars there. So instruction at the back here on how to sign up for that. And also we get this 15% saving as well on snooze for like sleeping drinks if you are into that kind of thing. So sweet dreams, happy days. Yeah, so that's another voucher there. All right, so let's go ahead and open this. Oh wow, okay, we have quite a lot of goodies in here. So the first product I see is from La Roche-Posay, if that's how you pronounce it. It is protective soothing moisturizer, which of course comes in this packaging. Looks like that. So that's the first product there. And let's go ahead and open it. And yeah, so yeah, that is the first product we are getting in here, and I am looking forward to trying this. Never tried anything from this brand at all. And how to use this one, any instruction? Okay, it says apply on the neck and the face morning and evening, and of course it's for external use only. All right, so neck and face morning and evening. So I'm going to definitely give this one a try and see what kind of result it will give. But yeah, never ever tried anything from La Roche-Posay, and it's made in France. So that is the first product that we received in here. Moving on, next up of course, now I see where this one comes in, because over here we have a natural sleep drink, and this one is regular. It's from Snooze, and it's sweet dreams, happy days. So it is actually a drink. Okay, that is something that I will definitely try for sure, and I cannot wait to give this one a try. But anyway, so you drink it 30 minutes before going to bed. So yeah, this will be definitely give it a go. So yeah, that actually makes sense. If you want to, you can definitely sign up, or you can buy online and save some dollars, because it's the same company. So yeah, that is our second product, sweet dreams, happy days sleepy drink, which I will try, because I'm not going to drink it now. I'm not going to bed, so I shall try it later on tonight. And then the next product we have here is of course from Avant, and this one is Pro Perfecting Collagen Primer. Oh, this sounds interesting. I heard good things about this primer, and I am quite happy that I received this one here in here. So it's this product right here. That's how it looks like, of course. So maybe some of you might have already tried it, but never ever tried it myself, and I'm quite excited to definitely give this one a try. All right, it says here at the back, apply to clean dry skin, wear alone or under foundation to create a smooth even canvas. So yeah, that sounds like something that I definitely want to try for sure. And it says just discontinue use if redness or irritation occurs. Avoid contact with eyes, of course, and do not ingest. Do not eat, please. Do not eat. But anyway, so that is that from Avant, and yeah, looking forward to try this product. Next up, we have, what is this? It is a highlighter stick from Oiza Beauty. Is that how you pronounce it? Gosh, sometimes I think I'm saying it wrong, but it's this company right here, you guys. If the camera can actually show, it's this one right here. So yeah, this one is a highlighter which I should open and actually, you know, see how it looks like, because when it comes to highlighter and foundation, it's just that I pick my own stuff. It's just how it is, you know, because you just never know what you give people when it comes to those kind of things. But oh, okay, that looks interesting. So, and it's quite a, oh, so that's how much we are getting in there. You can see, and of course the top looks like that. All right, let me just quickly see how this looks like. Never judge the book by its cover. So, oh wow, okay, it does give you that kind of intensity. Look at that. Okay, it's something that I should, you know, try a little bit more, explore. But I like the finish that it gives. I think that was, my door just closed. I was like, what is that? I jumped when it closed. I jumped. There's a bit of wind outside. But yeah, I think I like the finish it gives. I mean, it's not too bad. You can see right there on, it's a bit, you know, more on the, I mean, you can always build it up, you know, honestly. Should I put a little bit more and just show if you wanna, you know, build it up and what kind of finish you get. So like that, you can always, it smells like, what's that fruit? Smells oh, I cannot name the fruit, but something that I used to eat when I was a child, the fruits that I used to eat, and this reminds me of that. I just don't remember what the name is or was. Yeah, but it's a lovely smell. So yeah, you see there, you can definitely, ooh, look at that, you know, towards the light, you can definitely build it up. So yeah, this is a highlighter stick that we got from Oiza Beauty. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. All right, so next up we have a shampoo from Nivea. Okay, you guys, I do love Nivea. I use their body lotions and also their face wash as well. I like them. So here we have a shampoo, which of course is this massive bottle here. So we are getting a shampoo, which is quite lovely, because I mean, I love their product and I don't really mind to try this one. So yeah, this one is for volume, of course, and I will definitely give this one a try. It does have pH balance. It says here pH balance, and yeah, shampoo from Nivea. Let me know, guys, have you tried this shampoo before, or have you tried any of the stuff that I'm actually showing in this video? But yeah, interesting. We'll definitely give it a try. So yeah, smells nice. When it comes to shampoos, conditioner, lotions, you know, anything that I put on my body, you guys, I'm quite picky, because some flavors, some scents, they just throw me off and I don't like the way they smell. Imagine if you are using shampoo and your hair like really stinks, you know, you don't want that. So I'm always picky when it comes to shampoo that I use. You know, I'm always looking for like a sweet smell or something more, you know, on the natural side, like, you know, without smelling crazy, you know. So, and this smells quite nice. All right, so yeah, that was that. And I, I would assume that when you get a shampoo, you should get a conditioner as well, but we don't have a conditioner in here. But anyway, that's just me. And the last product we have in here is from Dr. Botanicals, which is of course this product right here. And you guys, I am looking forward to be trying this product, and I heard that it's quite amazing product. It is of course pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. So it is a sleeping mask, and we shall give this one a try for sure. You guys know I love my mask. If you follow me on Instagram, of course, I do a lot of masks there. I just love masks in general, and I use them a lot, pretty much every other day. You know, I treat myself to a good mask. So yeah, this will be definitely put to test. And yeah, so this was the last product that of course we got in here. And what does it say? Does it say an instruction at the back? Yeah, so it says use 2 to 3 times per week. Awesome. Apply a thin layer onto clean dry skin in the morning. Okay, awesome. And then allow the mask to sink in into the skin and leave overnight. Ooh, all right, we shall be testing that for sure. So yeah, that was the last product that we received in this box, you guys. And yeah, everything is out. So yeah, that was Glossybox January box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried any of these products and how do you find them. But in general, for me, I feel like in this box we have some really good product that I am so looking forward to try. The first one being this one here from Avant, for sure. I'll be trying that, and the sleeping mask, it's just like I love masks. So yeah, this will be definitely get quite you know, some use, and we are getting, you know, it's not a one time use product. This is one thing that I started to like when I receive product that I can use more than once in this, you know, monthly beauty subscription, because sometimes you do get the sample one that it's just like a one-time use and you don't really know how, you know, your skin reacts to that, or whether it's even doing its thing. But if you get product like this that you know you can use, you know, once, twice, even like for a month, something like that. For example, this cream here, obviously that will take me some time to go through this primer here. But yeah, I prefer when we receive product like this that I can use more than once, because therefore I'm able to, you know, test the product out and then give you guys, you know, an honest feedback and review about the product on how they performed. Because if it's just one time use, it's just like, okay, so you know what I'm saying. So yeah, and this cream here, you know, the protective soothing cream, that's another product that I'm definitely looking forward to be trying. So overall, I think in this box the 3 products that impressed me the most are these ones here, because you guys, I'm more about skincare, so I'm definitely, you know, happy with my box. And even the rest of them, I mean, it's a shampoo. We wash our hair every day, so we need shampoo. And this one here, which is interesting that we have a drink in here, but yeah, it's, you know, we'll give it a try. After all, you know, our theme for this month is sleep and refresh. So sleep and refresh. Take this and go to bed, wake up, you know, refreshed. So yeah, stick will use them. All right, you guys, so that is pretty much the end of the video for me unboxing this box for January. Share it with somebody who loves, you know, just unboxing video in general. And yeah, I hope it was useful. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this one. Go have a good one, take care, and I shall see you guys on my next one. So yeah, bye for now.